Good day, everyone. We are welcome to physics class to be taken by myself, Mandir Muhammad. So today we want to look at solution of past questions starting with Neco 2018. Of course, starting with the objective part of it. Question number 1 says that which of the following unit is equivalent to joule per second? The options are Farad, Hertz, Newton, Pascal, and watts. So we need to first analyze the options given to us. We should know that Farad is the unit of capacitance, Hertz is the unit of frequency, Newton is the unit of force, Pascal unit of pressure, and Watt is the unit of power. So as we analyze, we can recall that power is defined as rate of doing work, that is time rate of doing work. So power is given as work done all over time taken. Unit of work is joule and time taken is second. That means power can be given as joule per second. When we abbreviate, we have P equals to J all over S. That means power is joule per second. So the correct option there is E. Question number 2. In which of the following processes is friction not an advantage? Friction has its advantages and disadvantages. A says that applying brake of a moving car, lifting a load with a pulley, motion of belt over a wheel in a machine, sharpening a knife, then walking. So in our solution, I say that friction is of disadvantage in all of the above because it has the disadvantage of causing tearing and wearing, but the disadvantages are more in pulley system, as the system may slip. That's possibility of the rope or the cable that is being placed on the wheels to slip. That means there are additional disadvantages in pulley than in the other mentioned options. Then there is energy loss in form of heat, especially when the pulley system is a combined one and the distance traveled by the load increase. So the disadvantages we have in pulley system are by far higher than all the other ones. So pulley remains the correct option for this, because in the remaining other 4 options you have tearing and wearing that equally applies to even the pulley system too. So pulley is our correct option, and that is option number B, lifting a load with pulley system. Question number 3 says that a speedboat travel with an average speed of 20 meters per second. Calculate the distance it will cover in 25 minutes. So the options are there: 75 meters, 500 meters, 15,000 meters, 30,000 meters, 45,000 meters. So if we observe carefully, the velocity or the speed is given to us in the question to be 20 meters per second. That means the unit is a meter per second. For us to have second there, that means the time that will be given to us must be converted to second. We are looking for the distance, then the time is 25 minutes. So if you observe from the velocity, we have 20 meters per second. Then the time here is given to us in minutes. We have to convert these minutes into second, and that will be 25 times 60 seconds. That will give us exactly 1,500 seconds. So we now apply these parameters into our equation, which says V equals to D over time. Speed equals to distance all over time taken. So since we are looking for the distance, we make our D subject of the formula, and that will give us D equals to VT. D equals to VT. So D will now be equals to, what is the value of our V? 20 times value of our T, that is 1,500 seconds. When you multiply 20 by 1,500, you will arrive at 30,000 meters, and that is option number D. That is the correct option for this particular, the correct answer for this particular question.